CC accreditation is very important for the fact of providing a level of service and compliance for the industry and for hence our clients. Anyone that considers going to someone that's not CC accredited or a accredited solar installer really need to rethink. We found that it was very important that we became part of that whole network to give assurances for our customers that are dealing with us, as well as a lot of government agencies require that we become the CC approved and accredited retailer. So by sticking to a company that can provide the whole solution, employ all their own service technician, we are under the Clean Energy Council Retailers Code, so we must provide straight away a 5-year product and service warranty. All our teams are CC accredited electricians with apprentices and trade assistants. We do a lot of in-house training as well as we attend all workshop training by our solar panel manufacturers and inverter companies. So customers should definitely consider that. A few customers come to us now, ask us that question. A lot of them see that we're on our website, and because some of them have already done their homework and due diligence, that becoming part of that code and being accepting of that code gives people the comfort and reassurance that we got certain guidelines and responsibilities for not just the current installation but the ongoing service and maintenance. Otherwise they haven't got their real heart in the industry. You know, if you really want conviction in the industry, you've got to seek and provide that sort of level of service.